So hi, as you can see, so basically I will tell you some little bit of introduction. So I am a JEE aspirant who doesn't even study at all, and now I get a realization that stuck to me at 4 a.m. 4 a.m. I'm not lying, but I can't tell you the time. I don't have an extra anything, so I will just tell you. So basically I wasted October, half of October too, and now I think I need to get a grip. So this is going to be a strategy video of how I am going to plan my studies to try to be something. Yeah, and this is for JEE and CET and boards if you are trying to like study anything. And in this video I'm telling you how to like study from scratch and with less time and more efforts. So it is like study smarter than harder kind of a thing. So this is going to be basically it, and let's get started. So here is my, you can see it, I didn't study at all, and I also have many things to do right now. Well, let's get rid of this. I just made that for my self-realization. Okay, now let's get into this. So firstly I'm going to talk about the chemistry part. So basically I have written this and stick them into my copy for just me to get like mentally know how much is left, how much I have done. So basically this is it, and yeah, let's just get started with how you're going to prepare for this. So firstly I have written all these things, and there is the thing how I'm going to. Firstly I'm going to grab the concept from one-shot lectures of JEE, because I am going to coaching and I am a student of JEE aspirant. I had joined a coaching and that was terrible. I can't tell you. I am still in it and it's a little bit of confidential. It is not well known, but yeah, I can't tell you. So that's a whole backstory. I will tell you some other day. Let's get into the point first. This is basically the, what do we call, representation of the things I'm going to do. Firstly I will try to learn concept. From that I will use one-shot lectures of JEE and then the theory of boards. So basically how I'm going to do is I will watch JEE one-shot lectures and I will have my textbook of boards opened and I will try to make notes of it, like which topics I have for boards and which topic I don't have in boards but in JEE, like that JEE topics. From that JEE topics I'm making what do we call that, short notes. I'm making short notes for that JEE and boards alag se different, so I can have that different at one time, so it's less time consuming. Then from one shot lecture I will see and make notes, and then I will read the textbook for the basic knowledge of what is there in the textbook, that I have no basic knowledge of that topic. If I don't have, then I will have to read it. Then I will read the textbook and try to understand it. Then I am going, yeah, that is it, boards textbook reading and short note making. Then I will try to practice questions first from the boards question that are present in boards copy, solved examples and exercise. Then I will try JEE questions. Then I will, if this much is done, then I will jump into boards problems, and this one are going to be detailed problems, so that one need to be like they based on theory ones. And yeah, that's basically it for chemistry. So mostly organic chemistry contain many reactions, so I will make a reaction short note in separate pages or something. And inorganic is more likely to, so I organic and inorganic I will prepare this from boards textbook, and then I will jump into physical chemistry. Mostly you guys, I don't know, I just have learned this and I still remember this, so I am just going to watch one shot and then straight up going to jump from question practice. So I have done this block and I hope so I will remember everything once I revise. Even though if I was unable to do that, then I will watch one shot lecture again and make notes, short notes. But I made short notebook and it got lost somewhere, so I can't find it now. So I have to make short note again, so I will just do it as a recall and revision for that now. From that, and now we have to move for our physics. And physics is something I understand but I hate to. So in physics there are total 26 chapter. I basically didn't think about this, so basically I'm going to study the chapter I am familiar with first and that I think that are easy for me first, and then I will move from the chapter that I don't have any clue with. Because if I try to catch the hard chapter, then I will lose motivation to study and that will not make momentum. So I will study easy chapters, one that I have a basic knowledge and concept grasp. So yeah, I'm doing that first. And yes, you can basically use this thing also to for studying physics. Actually I'm going to study physics like this only, and it's helpful I guess. So yeah, this is my physics strategy. And there is more thing, like wait, let me grab the other book where I have made this thing. Okay, so this is physics. and this is for boards. Okay, so for this physics, first I will try to learn concept, then I will jump into numericals, then I will study derivations, and then I will try to move to question practice and question and answer theory ones. So for derivation, these are the chapter that I thought are mostly derivatives come from chapter number 1, 2, 3, 7 and 12. And how to prepare this is just first go to the concept, try to understand it, then mostly this all contain 25 to 30 derivations. So if you don't know anything, then just try to write it and remember it, and I will highly suggest to try to grasp the concept of that derivation first and then write it. It will be easier. For numericals, so from numericals I am just going with the PYQ and then solved examples, and this one is a Tukka technique I learned from a teacher, so I'm not taking any credit and something, and it does not work, but I just wrote it. So first and last wala exercise karo, he just said that because sometimes it is easier for examiner to check that and give that question in exam. So yeah, it's just a Tukka, guys. I am not saying it will come or it may come, but it can come and it not come. The probability is not so high. Anyways, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do with physics. So we talked about physics, and now it's time for the subject we all hate, mathematics. So let's talk about that. I don't know how I'm going to face this, but yeah, we have to study it, guys. So please don't hate that much. We have to romanticize our studying too. So in this section I prioritized and listed the chapters. So this is low input and high output chapters, sequence and series, matrices and determinants, vector and 3D geometry, quadratic equation, complex numbers, binomial theorem, statistic. And in this, these are medium effort and high outcome, LCD, differential equation, and area under the curve, integration, and indefinite and definite. In lab 3rd, high output and high input. Basically, we need to try harder to get good marks. Permutation and combination, probability, sets and function relation, application of derivatives, straight lines, circles, conic section, trigonometry and inverse trigonometry are in 4th section, cause these are the extra chapter I am going to try later, cause I don't know if these chapters are so lengthy, plus it's hard for me, I guess. But for trigonometry, I am going to study trigonometry from boards, cause we need to learn trigonometry, and I know basic trigonometry, but sometimes it comes. So yeah, for boards I'm going to study trigonometry, and this is it. So basically my strategy is this. For also, actually I attend college, institute, whatever you call that, that is an institute, and in that I can't like figure it out anything. It's not like that faculties are not good or something, it's just I can't, cause I can't study there, and somehow I ended up procrastinating study cause I don't understand the concept first, and then so yeah, I just skip all the lectures and just I can't bear that now. So for now, this is going to be my schedule, and I am trying to cover at least one shot in 3 days and 8 chapters per week. I don't know I can complete that too, but I am saying that so I can track my progress, and I will update you tomorrow about anything. And also wait, I forgot about so much. This I made so earlier, and this is it. So if there are any Maharashtra state board students, please note it down. This is so important for you. So this is the personal things, and yeah, so basically this is chemistry marks distribution, official one. I wrote that. It's, you can take a screenshot here. Yeah, and in here there is physics 1, and yeah, I am trying to study from online YouTube channel. So if I get some important question, I will give you. If you want, you can ask me. So yeah, basically then we have physics. So physics, and these are marks, and these are marks with options. Okay, so total marks is 70, but marks with option is 98. So just note that. And yeah, 30 marks का प्रैक्टिकल होता है, एंड वही सब चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने बताई थी, वो जस्ट मैंने पहले से लिख के रखी थी. एंड हेयर मैथ 1 एंड मैथ 2, एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस. 40 मार्क्स के पेपर होते हैं, एंड इसके पास बस मेरा मार्क्स प्लस ऑप्शन वाला ही वेटेज है मेरे पास. आई डोंट नो, मैंने वो वाला सादा वाला नहीं लिखा. इंटरनल 20 मार्क्स का होता है और थ्योरी 80 मार्क्स का पेपर होता है, एंड दोनों पेपर साथ में होते हैं. मुझे पहले नहीं पता था, मुझे लगा अलग अलग होता है, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू कि ये दोनों पेपर साथ में होते हैं. नेक्स्ट मेरे पास इंग्लिश का पेपर पैटर्न है. So if you want, you can have it. And ये महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड का है, so just keep that on mind. If you want paper pattern of other two, I have screenshot and print. So if you want, you can ask me for that. And yeah, that's it for today. And for tomorrow video, I will tell you how to be consistent. So everybody tell you that discipline is more good than perfection is not so good. But what do we say, that discipline is greater than perfection, but nobody tell you that how can you build consistency. So for tomorrow's video, there will be a video about consistency, how to build consistency, because I am the one, I can't be consistent at all. So for me, the things that work on me, I will tell you guys everything and I will keep you updated. So yeah, basically this is my strategy and I'm going to start from, yeah, but I also studied some IUPSC namings and GOC today, so that count as a to do of today. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. I will keep you updated.